Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Utrefon. Today I want to show you how to make English breakfast. So this is all I'm going to be needing. I have my sausage here, I have my bacon, and I have my baked beans, I have my tomato, I have my mushroom, and I'm going to use 2 eggs. And I will use my oil. Okay, so this is very simple how to make this. Open your sausage, put them into your baking tray. So I'm gonna use 4 sausages. So I'm just going to add a little oil on the tray so that it will not stick. So you rub it together so that it will not stick. So I'm going to grill it now. I'll put on my oven and grill it. So I bring out the sausage. So now I'm gonna put my bacon, pop that in. So I'm gonna put it back and grill. So now I'm gonna prepare my tomato. You will cut your tomato into half. Okay. So I'm gonna add my black pepper. I'll put my margarine. Garlic and herbs, I'm gonna put them together. I'm gonna put a little salt on it. So I'm gonna put the tomato to grill it. So I'll put it back in the oven. Also, I'm gonna put my mushroom. So you need to make space. Put your mushroom there. Then I'm gonna pop it back in the oven. So now I'm gonna fry my egg. So I'm just gonna put a little, very little oil. So shake it. I'll put my egg. So I'm gonna let it to cook, then we'll come back to it. So guys, this is my English breakfast. It is ready. As you can see, it's very simple to make, and this is optional. This can go with HP sauce, which will make it very delicious. So if you've not tried this way before, please do so. Don't forget to give a thumbs up if you like this video, and subscribe to this channel. Support me by sharing this video. Subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. This is your girl Utrefon. Bye.